Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I'm here with some Walmart awesomeness and Kroger, just epic haul, really great money makers. Now half these things I don't want, so I'll have to donate them, but they're just such good money makers I wasn't going to pass it up. And shout out to TOMA Saver here on YouTube. They commented about this color crave, and I never would have noticed it if I wouldn't have seen their comment. It is a really good deal, so it's a moneymaker, so I'm going to get into that. Now, some of these coupons expire today, which is really unfortunate, but the Poise, we're getting new coupons tomorrow. And I know a lot of Krogers do take expired coupons, so if your store does, then you'll be in luck here. I do apologize for getting this out earlier. I didn't have the chance to get out. I only got these today at Walmart, and this was yesterday and today. I didn't really know about it. So, yeah, I do apologize for that. But let's just dive right in. Let's start out with Walmart. Now, this is going on all week. The Bic Simply Soleil razors are $3.27. Thank you to... who posted about this? Nini Coupons and Saving with Shay on Instagram posted about it. Or no, on Instagram, she's just Soldier Girl Shay. On YouTube, it's Saving with Shay. But they posted about these razors. They are $3.27, and there is a $4 Checkout 51 rebate. So it makes it like a moneymaker on Checkout 51, which is a crazy deal, and it's a limited too. I got the money back. I know it works, so it is a really great deal. The Success Rice is $1.98 on a rollback. I had a 75-cent printable. It is NLA as far as I know. And there was a 75-cent Ibotta. So this is like 54 cents. Really good deal for rice. The Happy Baby, I got this one from Amy Stotts. It is $2.48. I had a $1.25 printable, and there's, or no, I'm sorry, $1.50 printable. Now, I didn't see it on my blog, which is weird, because usually I have the same exact coupons as coupons.com 99% of the time. But there is a $1.50 printable on coupons.com directly, so you'll have to go there and print it instead of my blog. That's weird, because the affiliates, the one, I'm their affiliate, or they're my affiliate people, they usually always let me have the links to the same coupons, but not for this one. So that's weird. But anyways, $1.50 printable, and there's a $1.25 Ibotta. So this is a 24-cent moneymaker for this Happy Baby. Go print that ASAP. Mine printed with an expiration of September 30th, so I don't know what's up with that. Okay, and then these Poise 50 count liners are on a clearance or something for $2 at my store, and there was a $3 coupon, so I got $1 in overage. And then these Poise pads, this again ends tonight, $4.84. I had a $3 coupon and a $3 Ibotta, and the Ibotta is working now. They finally fixed it after like 6 weeks, so this was a moneymaker. But tomorrow we're getting a $2 off coupon on the insert, so this would just be a freebie, and this would be like a 70 or a 20-something cent moneymaker, so that's a good deal. Now I want to talk about Kroger and how I did this on the Color Crave. It was a really good deal because I love these Pure Crystal Lights. It's a really good deal on those. So here's how I did it. Yesterday I went to Kroger and I picked up 2 of these Color Crave. They are $6.99 on the Mega event. And there are $3 off coupons that expired today. They came in a previous insert. So I picked up 2 of them and I paired it with, for the Mega event, I picked up this toothpaste on my cousin's card. It's $1.99 and there's that $2 digital. And I picked up 2 Crystal Lights for 99 cents. And then she had a 60-cent best customer coupon. So anyways, I had a $3 off of a $15 health and beauty purchase digital coupon. It's a best customer that she had on her card. She always gets that. I don't know why. So I did this, and that with this ended up being over $15 before my coupons. I used 2 of the $3 off coupons here. So I don't know. I think it was like $8 or something. I don't remember the exact. A little bit less. And I got back $5 on Ibotta for each of these, and it has a limit of 2. So I got back a total of $10. This is a total money maker. I think, yeah, $2 money maker. So on these things, really great. And then I just went back today because it reset, and I did it again. I picked up 3 of the Crystal Lights for 99 cents, and 2 of these Color Craves. And it was 99 cents plus tax. So money maker, and I love these. I picked these up anyways. I've stocked up on them this week at 99 cents. So should be able to use my overage and get it for that good of a deal. Why not? So yeah, I really hope this helps somebody out. I'm sorry it's on such late notice. Like I said, the Poise is coming out, and if you can get them to take expired coupons at your Kroger, if your Kroger allows it, I know many do, or else I wouldn't even mention this. But so many of you commented saying your store takes expired coupons. I just wanted to give you all the word on that deal. So yeah, that is all I have for now, and thank you so much for watching.